Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is a color. It can be described as a light brown with creamy, beige undertones, creating a soft and soothing appearance. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as fawn. Fawn. Feel the sound of letter O in between. Fawn. This color also brings a sense of softness and subtlety, evoking images of peaceful forests and tender wildlife. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about fawn, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.